Now here is Alvin, and I'm taking you through this program. It's about linked lists that are used to store elements in form of nodes. They are made up of nodes. The nodes have two parts. The part that contains the value, and then the other part that contains the link. Call it address. Points to the next node. The next node. So we shall implement all these functions, as you can see: print list, append, prepend, delete by key, delete by value, insert after a key, insert after value. We shall implement them using switch. So now what switch does, it helps to evaluate the value of choice without using the if statements, but using cases instead. As you see, struct node, uh, the struct, as you can see here, it, it is used to define a node. Now node, as I said, it has to contain an integer number, call it a value, and then the pointer. Now here, to create a node, here we are creating a node. Okay, you have to enter a number, and then the system allocates memory to that newly created node based on that number. And see, if you don't enter any number, that means the system won't be able to allocate memory to that new node, and it will print an error. Now these are the functions. Now the function to add the node at the beginning of the list. The function to add node at the beginning of the list, append. No, it's prepend. Sorry. Append adds the new node at the end of the list instead. Sorry. Now prepend, the newly created node will come first. Okay. Append, as you can see, the newly created node will come last. Okay. Now another function is printing list. Printing list to display all the nodes in that linked list. Okay, that's what the print list function does. And see, now inserting after a key, to insert the new node after a given key, you have to enter that key, and that key, you must make sure that the key you've entered is contained in the linked list. Otherwise, if that key doesn't exist in the linked list, you have to print an error. That key doesn't exist. In the linked list. Now inserting after value, what insert after value does, to insert after value, inserts a new node after a given value. You will be prompted to enter a value after which you want to insert a new node. That value doesn't exist in the linked list, still print an error. Now for that, you can scroll up. Now these are the cases. Before the cases, let's look at inserting after value. We're done with that. So int main, here we are creating a node. Choice data key value will be in form of integers, as you can see we've declared. So while true, we shall print to print, when you run for the first time, to print all these. Then as you can see here, you'll be prompted to enter your choice. Entering your choice, it will be taken, and then now the choice, using the switch, we are going to use cases as we've seen before. Case 1, case 2, case 3, up to case 8. Now case 1, print the list, all the nodes in the list. Case 2 will append. We said append adds the new node at the end of the list. Case 3, prepend, that's at the beginning of the list where the new node is added. Case 4, deletes by key. You enter the key of the node you want to delete and make sure that that key is in the linked list. Case 5, sorry. Case 5, you delete by value. You enter the value of the node you want to delete. Case 6, you insert. You enter the key after which you want to insert the value. Case 7, insert after value. You enter the value. Case 8, it will be exiting. Now if you run this code, as you can see, it has printed all the choices and then prompted you to enter the choice. Let's say at this point, if you choose to print the list, to print an empty list, ask you again any other choice. If you want to append, let's first create a list now. We want to append, enter the value to append. 3, let's say 3, be appended to the list at the end of that list. Enter the choice, 2 still, enter the value to append, 4. Now if you print, okay, let's first prepend. We first entered 3, then 4 by appending. Now if you want to prepend, choice is 3, enter value to append. Now let's say 7. So 7 will come first in that list. If you print the list, you will see 7 coming first, as you can see here. So that's how it works. Now let's say you want to delete. Let's say you want to delete, like, let's say 3. Deleting. You enter your choice. 5. We are deleting. Enter value to delete. You want to delete 3 maybe. Now if you print the list, it won't show 3. It will only show 7 and 4. Let's print the list and see. As you can see, it's only showing 7 and 4. That's it. See, it's going to insert after the 4. The 4. Enter new key to insert. It will be 9. New key has been inserted. Print the list. See, 9 has been added, has been inserted after 4. That's how it works. Then if you want to delete, let's say delete is it is option 4. Option 4. The choice 4. Enter key to delete according to this list. If I can